Alright, so I've had the GoPro Hero 6 for about 3 months now, and I've never really fully utilized what everything does or what everything does. So lately I've been looking up research about shutter speed. Now, GoPro Hero 6 or the GoPro series in general is supposed to be a really convenient, quick pull-out film, and you go back and fix stuff up later, or it's good enough to use on the spot and leave that footage raw. But you can't do too many things manually. But when we're talking about shutter speed right now, I just got a little short video on it. So I went out to downtown Aviano here in Italy and decided to test out the shutter speed. For some reason, I couldn't use anything above 1/48th of a second. Whenever I try to use it, the image would be way too bright and too exposed, and you couldn't see anything. Now, I don't know if that's because I wasn't adjusting the EV comp, and it wouldn't have let me adjust the EV composition on the GoPro Hero 6. So we're just gonna have to work with 1/48th of a second and auto function, whatever it shoots at. So I went and recorded a little bit, and I got two of them just side by side. Same thing, both filmed at 24 frames per second, and just check out how it looks. After going out and filming with the GoPro Hero 6, comparing the shutter speeds, it looks fairly, I like the 1/48th of a second better, but at the same time, the GoPro auto function for the shutter speed that you're going to be using majority of the time, it is super smooth as well. It doesn't look that bad. I don't like the disadvantage of not being able to control everything yourself, you're kind of limited, but at the same time, that's the point of these cameras, for everything to be automatically done, to make it easier for you. Just whip out and start recording, but I want to get the full features out of the camera, which is the auto functions are supposed to do. But at the same time, you can kind of tweak things here and there to make it really splash and kind of colors pop here and there. But that's going to conclude this. That's going to conclude this video and the shutter speed test on GoPro Hero 6. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more GoPro videos.